Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Mary Nanor, and today's episode is sponsored by Casino Ethyl Alcohol.
Did you know that there's an alcohol brand that does more than kill germs? With an icy cool sensation and fresh scent, Casino Active gives you instant feel-good vibes, keeping you confident to connect wherever you go, whoever you meet.
Casino, your alcohol.
All right, without further ado, welcome to the live show of Pusuan or Laruan! Woohoo!
Ikaw na yata mapupusuan. Gusto na tayong magkatuloyan. Ikaw ang mapupusuan. Daratat ikaw na yata mapupusuan. Di akalain magkakastuan. Ikaw ang mapupusuan.
Here's how the game works. As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous single guys over here. And we'll also be bringing out some sexy single ladies one by one. So, guys, kung napupusuan yung ating sexy single, feeling nyo magpa-match kayo or interested pa kayo sa mga sabi niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling nyo hindi nyo siya masyadong type or hindi kayo magma-match, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? And our audience, are you ready? All right, let's play Pusuan or Laruan. Here comes our first sexy single. Woohoo! Hi! Ganda naman. Hi. All right, so what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, my name is Rosie and I'm 26 years old.
Okay, Rosie. So, what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
I'm actually a model and I'm Miss Universe Philippines Canadian 2024.
Oh, wow.
And aside from that, I also own a pest control company.
Oh, okay. Bawal ba na? Nag-ano siya? Pageant. So, you have a lot on your plate. Do you still have time for hobbies? What do you like to do for fun?
I actually want to do a lot of things all
Okay.
at once. I like diving, so I scuba dive, I free dive. I also like singing, so I like making songs. I love watching movies.
Okay, so you're exploring a lot of hobbies. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Sa ano mo na? Physical?
Physical.
Come on!
Magpapaka-plastic sana ako. Sabihin ko sana, looks doesn't matter.
Yeah, right. Tapos mamaya magpa-pop kasi sa height or something.
Well,
Ay, nako.
okay, to be fair.
Hindi na ako naniniwala sa ganyan.
Diba? Well, for me naman, in all honesty, it's always the looks that really get our attention. But at the end of the day, it's still the connection
Yeah.
how you guys are aligned, if match ba kayo.
Initial lang naman yun.
Yes,
Oo.
initially, it's the looks talaga. So siguro, mas na-attract ako to preferably someone taller than me.
Okay.
Yes, and, hulot ako dun, sorry.
Oh. Parang nag-echo yung balloon pop eh, no? Okay, so someone taller and...
Yeah, someone taller and, mahilig ako sa chinito.
Oh, wait lang. Biglang tig-squint yung mga guys. Na joke. O, chinito na matangkad.
Yes.
Okay, we'll see. O, sa personality naman, anong hanap mo?
Nagbabasketball. Joke.
Grabe siya! Hoy! Wala na to.
Uy, anak.
Uwi na tayo. Tara na. Okay. Nagpa-basketball or joke lang?
Actually, well,
Have you
pwede.
dated basketball players before? Kumusta?
Wait lang. Pwede. Pero really, mahilig ako sa matalino talaga. Tsaka mabait.
Okay. Ayun naman pala, guys. Okay, a deal breakers mo naman. Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na.
Deal breaker ko talaga is, paano ko ba sabihin na hindi masyadong masama pakinggan? Pero technically, ayoko sa tanga.
Okay. Well, sabi mo naman matalino, so...
Kasi,
I guess opposite nun.
like, ang hirap kasi yung simpleng bagay na sasabihin mo, tapos di niya maintindihan lagi.
Ay.
Tapos kailangan mong i-explain all the
Ulit-ulitin.
time. Tapos parang, asan yung logic ng taong to?
Okay, so wala naman nag-pop sa part na yon. So,
Wala tanga sa kanila.
Oh, wala. Okay, so may mga nag-pop sa ating lineup. Let's find out kung bakit sila nag-pop.
Mamaya ka sa akin.
Magpakilala ka muna. So your name, your age, and your job, please.
Ma'am Jomar Malyari, 23 years old.
So bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Hindi po kasi ako nagbabasketball.
Yun lang ba? Doon ka ba nag-pop sa basketball na part?
Opo.
Talaga bang required na nagbabasketball sila?
Hindi naman siguro.
Oo.
Pero plus points.
Okay, plus points lang naman, hindi naman super requirement. Or does that change your mind at all?
Di kasi talaga ako mahilig sa basketball.
Oo nga, hindi naman daw required. Plus points lang daw. So, okay naman daw sa kanya yun, kahit hindi ka nagbabasketball. So, gusto mo bigyan ng chance yung sarili mo ulit?
Pwede.
Okay lang ba sa'yo? Balik natin yung balon niya. Okay lang, balik niya yung balon niya. Sige. Okay, go daw. Balik natin yung balon niya. Kasi naman, yung basketball requirement natin. Okay, how about you?
Not 21 trader at streamer.
Okay, so Nat, bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Yung age po eh. Tsaka yung tsura niya po.
Ano ba tsura niya? Wait, ano man yung sa age? Ano bang age difference niyo?
Ay, 21 pa lang po ako eh.
Okay. Yung itsura niya naman, ano ba meron?
Baka po maging sugar mommy na lang.
Dahil sa age? Okay. Agree ka ba doon?
Parang mas bata naman ako. Tignan ka sa sayo.
Ano masasabi mo doon?
I mean ano po, baka maging sugar mommy ko po siya kapag ano.
Ayaw mo na sugar mommy?
Ay, ayoko po.
Gusto mo ikaw yung provider?
Wala din ako pera.
Wala naman daw siyang pera, so hindi siya sugar mommy.
Yung age po.
Okay. Ano naman sinasabi mo sa itsura niya kanina?
Maganda po eh.
Oo, ayaw mo sa ganon?
Yung age po kasi talaga.
Okay, so nangingibabaw kasi yung age. Okay. Ikaw ba, type mo ba sana siya?
Cute.
Cute.
Yung glasses niya.
yung glasses niya. Siya.
Pwede.
Hindi naman kita pinipilit ha. Tinatanong lang kita.
Ken, 25, super developer.
Okay, so Ken, bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Sa sinabi niyang basketball, doon ako nag-alangan na. Kasi siklista ako eh. Yun ang hili ko.
Bicycle, ganon. Okay.
Tsaka yung sa may swimming, hindi ako marunong lumawi. Baka malunod na ako pagkasama siya.
Ba't sinabi niya bang kakasama ka niya doon sa diving niya?
Pag nagkataon lang, yan, ganun. Baka malunod na ako doon.
Okay, how about you? Type mo ba sana siya?
Parang masyado siyang mabait for me.
Talaga? Ano ba gusto mo medyo may pagka-bad boy? Ganon?
Sakto lang.
Okay.
My name is Kim Luis Vargas. My job ko is call center agent.
Okay, so ba't ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Oh, maganda siya attraction. Physically attracted ako. Pero yun nga, parang hindi siya kumakain ng tuyo eh pag pinaglutuan ko siya.
Correction paborito ko yung tuyo. Yung may suka na maanghang.
Okay naman pala siya sa tuyo. Oh.
Hindi pa rin, siguro sa age gap sa akin.
Talaga? Kahit 2 years lang? That bothered you?
Nakakabada kasi sobrang niyang ganda eh. Oo. Siguro sa iba okay, pero sa akin, yeah. Decidido.
So, sa physical and sa age.
Yeah.
Ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
Lalim ng boses niya.
Lalim ng bola. O tapos? So, yes or no? Parang di naman yun yung tanong ko. Type mo siya, hindi.
Parang hindi ako bagay sa show na to.
Bakit? Ang saya mo nga kasama eh. Okay, so I'm gonna assume it's a no.
Okay.
Pero kumakain ka naman sana ng tuyo.
Kumakain ako ng tuyo.
Pero baka
Paborito
hindi
ko
lang kayo
yun
match.
for breakfast.
Okay, alright. Well, thank you so much. Okay, well, right now we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. So ngayon magtanong ka naman ng isang question to get to know them better.
Sino ang nagbabayad dapat sa first date?
Jomar, movie, tapos warehouse. Mas priority ng yun, lalaki. First date eh.
Ikaw ba, every time na nagpa-first date ka, ikaw talaga nagbabayad?
Opo, ako naman. Nagpo-provide. Nakakaya kung babae yung pagbabayarin.
My name is Franz po. I am 25. I am accountant po. Ang sagot ko po doon yung lalaki po talaga. Kasi yung base po dapat sa initiative ng isang guy. Yung first date. Ayun lang po.
So kung magpa-first date kayo, saan mo siya dadalhin?
Adventurous person din po kasi ako. So type ko is mga somewhere nature trip. Ganun.
I am Lance, 24, and I'm a freelance singer, actor, model, and host.
Ikaw na lahat. Alright, so anong answer mo sa question niya?
Dapat lang na lalaki po yung nagbabayad sa first date. It is a gauge on how you can lead the relationship and your ability to man up sa relasyon.
Paano pag nag-push talaga yung girl na, hindi, 50-50 tayo, anong sasabihin mo?
Mag-i-insist pa rin po ako na ako.
Good, because that was a trick question. Ayaw niya talaga yun. Joke. Okay, thank you. Alright, and over here?
Hi, I'm Stephen po. I'm 20 years old. I'm a part-time model and full-time student. I believe it should be the guy because I've been watching too many historical dramas, and the guy must always court the girl. I'm a very hopeless romantic and I believe it should be that way always.
What kind of dramas were you watching?
Like Jane Austen novels, Pride and Prejudice, Sense and Sensibility. Yeah.
Okay, gusto mo yon?
Anong favorite book mo doon? Favorite movie mo?
It has to be Sense and Sensibility.
Mine's Pride and Prejudice.
Oh, okay, at least same universe. Yeah, kind of the same naman daw. Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. And 1 more. Hello? Okay, so bakit siyang isa mong piniling ipop?
Kasi mas nakarelate lang ako sa last 2
Oh.
guys standing.
Okay, in what way?
The other one is also a host and a model, and the other guy also, he likes Jane Austen.
Okay, so plus points for Jane Austen.
Super plus
And being in the
points.
same industry.
Yes,
ganon.
yes,
Okay.
definitely.
Pero ikaw ba, type mo ba sana siya?
Di po. Parang hindi kami magkaparehas ng ng hobbies niya.
Hello? So, bakit siya yung isa mo pang piniling ipop?
Bakit nga ba? Hindi ko na maalala.
Ganon.
My brain memory gap lang.
Uy, bawal tanga, di ba? The joke lang. Hindi, gutom lang. Mas nag-resonate lang
Mas
ba yun,
nag-resonate lang talaga yung last 2.
Okay,
Yes.
alright. Pero ikaw, type mo ba sana siyang i-date?
Yeah, basically yung mga preferences niya sa guy, parang almost 90% ako doon. I do, marunong ako mag-basketball. Marunong lang. Marunong ako mag-swim, ganun. I also love yung mag-adventure po. So, yeah, that's...
Does that change your mind? Super aligned kayo sa hobbies? Or set ka na sa decision mo?
I'm okay.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much. Okay. Well, we have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman magtatanong ng questions sa'yo so that they can find out if you're a good match for them.
Are you a communicator?
Communicator.
Could you expound on that?
Kasi for me, in a relationship, importante sa akin yung nagko-communicate. Ayoko ng sinasilent treatment.
Oh,
Sa
do you
conflict.
mean, emotionally intelligent?
Pag nag-away daw kayo, go ahead.
I'd like to say I am. As a Cancer. Wow!
Okay.
Nag-flex ng
So
horoscope.
if we ask your exes, they'll say you are.
Diba? No, kasi for me, quick background lang guys, since I'm a Cancer, it's really my nature to be emotional in a sense. But in a relationship kasi, for me, I like being intentional towards my relationship. So, hindi ako parang date lang ng kung sino-sino, tas wala naman akong genuine intentions towards the person. So, if I date someone, of course, you want to work things out, diba? And of course, part of a relationship is really good communication. And like, if okay yung usap nyo, tas pag may mga problems kayo, pinag-uusapan, parang for me kasi, I'm already at the age wherein hindi ko na dinadaan sa topak pag may problema ako na paggalit ako sa partner ko na bala ka dyan, suyuin mo ako kahit di ko sabihin sa'yo anong problema. Parang super high school na
Dati ba ganun ka?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, guilty.
Pero change mo na yun sa sarili mo.
Nag-evolve tayo, I
Right.
guess.
That's good.
Yes.
What do you think is the best quality for a man? And how do you know that he's the one for you?
That's not really a tough question for me. Well, actually, ako talaga, I really want a patient man. Pwede kasing mabait eh. Pwedeng malambing yung partner mo, pwedeng mabait, pwedeng generous. Pero a patient man is really hard to find. When life throw you rocks and
Yeah.
then you guys are going through challenges in life, mga problema, the ability of your partner to hold his anger, yung patience niya, bihira yun eh. Bihira yung mga taong gano'n. Kasi halos lahat ng tao ngayon, mga Gen Z may anger issues eh.
Yeah,
So,
actually.
ayun. So,
As a millennial
Isa pa din
dealing
tayo.
with Gen Z, I'm like, oh, what happened?
yes, oo. Like, parang for me, it's just really important na patient yung partner ko. Because for me, patience talaga, it surpasses all types of problems in the relationship.
Okay. Do you have any follow-up or you're good with that?
That's a wonderful answer, actually, yeah.
Since walang nag-pop sa kanilang dalawa, ikaw ang mamimili ngayon. I'd like you to choose 1 balloon to pop.
Pwede ba sila kumanta?
Sample muna. Haranahin ka muna dito. Duet na lang kayo. Go ahead.
Jane Austen guy.
What? You're gonna pop him?
No, I like him.
Oh,
so I'm
pop the other
popping.
one. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Please join us over here, Lance. Okay, so bakit mo pinop yung balloon ni Lance?
Well, actually, he's really good looking also. And then he's, pasado siya sa standards ko.
Okay. Nagpa-basketball ka ba?
No, but I swim.
Yeah. Mas nag-resonate ako with the Jane Austen guy. Like, it really...
Ano man na name niya?
Joash? Joash ba yun? Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Nag-resonate ka with him. Okay.
Yes.
Do you think pasado naman siya sa standards mo?
And medyo chinito na siya.
Okay. Or do you have any response to what she said?
None. Actually, kinikilig ako sa kanilang dalawa.
Siniship mo na rin sila.
Yeah, I'm good.
But before that, type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah. But it's alright. You know. A bro's gotta be happy.
Okay, well, thank you so much. Maybe in another life. Okay, we have one balloon left, so please join us over here. Woohoo! Before we proceed, do you guys have any final questions for each other? How about from you?
Do you like Christopher Nolan movies?
I'm kind of neutral actually. I prefer Wes Anderson
Oh.
because I love the dreamy, dreamy, playful, like maximalist style. Yeah, like the Grand Hotel Budapest. Yeah, it's my favorite movie. Yeah.
You good with that?
Yeah.
Okay, mukhang happy ka naman. Okay, a question from you.
Do you like reading books?
I love reading books.
What's the genre? Like favorite genre?
Well, before I used to like self-help books, but now I'm more into romantic books actually. Yes, nag-shift na kasi trentahin na. Ganun ba? Kailangan na ng romance sa buhay.
I see. Well, this is the perfect place for that.
Yes.
Okay, are you good with that? Anything else?
Yeah, because I love reading books as well.
Okay, well, if you guys don't have any other questions for each other, ako naman ang magtatanong.
Okay.
Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Very sure. Yeah.
Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes.
Alright, we have a pusuan match! Okay, so please take each other's hand. Please take each other's hand. And go up into your happily ever after. Congratulations! Holding hands naman! Woo! Here comes our next sexy single. Woohoo! Hi! Hello! Wow, I love your dress. Okay, so what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, my name is Yumi and I'm 24 years old po.
Okay, and Yumi, anong job mo or what do you do for a living?
I do modeling po for clothing line, mga
Okay.
clothing brand po.
Oh, okay. All right, so ano namang hobbies mo outside of modeling?
More on hiking and more on diving po.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Very active lifestyle. Perfect for casino. Casino active. Okay, so ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Physical muna.
Physical, medyo chubby.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I love chubby
A
na.
little meat in the bones, ganon.
Yeah.
Ano guys, ano?
And,
Oh, medyo chubby.
yeah,
Okay.
and also medyo tall.
Okay.
Like 5'8" or 5'9".
5'8" or 5'10"?
Yeah.
Uy! Okay na yung chubby eh. Hindi guys, mataas lang yung stage. Sa personality, anong hanap mo?
Sa personality naman po, okay naman po sa kanya yung mabait lang. Like, walang babae, ganun. Basta mabait.
No to
Wala,
baero,
yes.
ganon. Okay, so no to players or mga flirty
No to
na guys.
players.
So mabait lang. Okay,
Mabait
kailangan ba nag-hiking din or nagda-diving din, ganon?
Mas okay po, para paras kami ng ginagawa. Like,
okay.
ganun po.
Ano namang deal breakers mo? Aside from yung nambababae or something.
Cheater.
Yun nga.
Yun
cheater.
lang,
Yun lang talaga.
Yun lang talaga, yes.
Okay, nothing else.
Nothing
Alright.
else, yes.
Okay, well, it looks like merong nag-pop sa ating lineup. So, hello. Please join us on stage. Sayang, magkakulay pa naman kayo ng outfit. Pwede na mag-date after, di ba?
Round.
Okay, so introduce mo muna yung sarili mo sa kanya. Name, age, and job, please.
I am Franz. I am 25 years old. I am accountant.
Bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Basically, yung sa height po. Kasi usually girls prefer parang 5'8" pataas. And I am 5'6" only. Yun po.
Okay, pero taller naman siya. Okay lang ba
Yeah.
sa'yo yun?
Yes po.
Okay naman pala. O, paano yun?
Preference kasi nila. So, for me, kung ano lang yung gusto nila, okay lang. Yun na lang.
Pero since she's saying it's okay, or ikaw ba, hindi mo ba siya type?
Hindi naman sa hindi type. Parang sa kung ano po kasi yung interest nila, kung what caught their attention. So, basically, dun ako nag-aano po.
Alright, you don't want her to adjust her preferences for you. Okay. Alright, do you have any comment on what he said? Tama ba siya doon or?
Hindi naman po, kasi usually lahat ng naging ex ko, kasing height na lang din talaga.
Oh, so ikaw yung next ex niya. Wait, what? Ex na Next na agad, wala pa nga eh. Oh, pasok ka naman pala sa roster of exes niya. Final ka na doon?
Yeah, baka para ka sa 5'8".
Okay, alright, well, thank you so much. Baka hindi lang talaga meant to be. Okay, well, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So this time, I want you to ask a question to get to know them better.
Mas prepare niyo ba sa girls na walang tattoo or meron? Okay lang kahit meron.
I'm Jomar, 23 years old. Warehouse ex-movie to. Parang di ako sa may tattoo. Kasi yung ex ko dati may tattoo rin dito.
So na-trauma ka na sa partner na may tattoo. Ayaw mo na.
Parehas din sila may dito rin sa likod.
Baka siya to. Dahil lang doon?
Tsaka sa niya, hobbies niya rin, yung hiking. Di ako maano sa hiking. Pwede sa swimming yan.
I'm Lance, 24. I'm a freelance singer, actor, model, and host. Doesn't matter to me. Whatever makes her feel confident, I'm all for it.
How about you? Do you have tattoos?
I don't have any tattoos.
Not trader / streamer. 21. Okay po.
Sugar mommy? Okay. Answer mo sa question niya.
Wait. Tumatawa sila eh.
Huwag mo sila papansinin. Love life mo to. Wala silang paki dyan. Di mo kilala yan. Okay, go.
Ano lang po ako sa hiking. Baka po hikain ako eh.
Wait lang. Yung answer mo muna sa question niya tungkol sa tattoo.
Ayos lang naman po.
Okay, more on that later.
Ken, 25, software developer. Okay lang din naman yung may tattoo kasi nagbabalak din naman magpatato eh.
Saan at saka anong tattoo?
Sa may forearm, gitara.
Musician ka ba?
Hindi.
Gusto mo na. Sige, buhay mo yan. Okay, ano?
Nagbabalak lang din, mag-aral ng gitara.
Para ma-motivate ka mag-guitar, papatato mo muna para talagang sure na aralin mo yung guitar.
Remembrance lang.
My name is Kim Luis Vargas, call center agent. So sa akin naman, hindi naman siya nagmamatter since kung yun yung binuboost ng confidence mo din, okay lang din sa akin. Tsaka may tattoo rin naman ako sa kaya okay lang din.
Saan daw?
Sa waist.
Mamaya na naman tayo, ah. Saan?
sa waist.
Sa waist. Okay, well, thank you so much. Mamaya ito na naman tayo. Okay, well, we still have 5 balloons left. So this time, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
I think this one.
Go ahead. Wag daw si Nat-Nat. Naghanap yan ng sugar
Ay, kasi
mommy.
hihikain ka. So, paano mo ko masasabayan sa hobbies ko?
Mamaya ng reason, ipop mo muna. Isa pa. Okay, so bakit mo piniling ipop si Nat-Nat?
Kasi sinabi niya kasi, parang pag nag-hiking kami, baka hikain siya. So, hindi niya masasabayan yung hobbies ko. Like, I love to climb talaga. Like, hike talaga.
And gusto mo talaga yung partner mo, sasamahan ka sa hike?
Yes.
Okay, wala ka bang panghika na parang, ano ba yung tawag doon? Nebulizer? Hindi! Yung yung inhaler ba yun? Nebulizer, dala mo, sasaksak mo pa doon sa mountain. Okay,
Wala po akong magagawa. Pinap niya na po eh. Mahirap paglaban po eh.
Yun.
Pero sa tingin mo, deal breaker din yun na hindi ka talaga nag-hike kasi?
Nag-hike naman po. Ang problema po eh, nakakapagod.
Oh? Pero kung hindi siya nag-hike type mo, ba sana siya?
Yes!
Oh, mukhang desidido siya sa'yo. Anong comment mo sa sinabi niya at gusto mo bang ibalik ang balon niya?
Bigay mo IG mo.
Ano? Ano? Hindi ko narinig.
Bigay mo IG mo sa akin mamaya.
Tatampo na po ako, ayoko na.
Tampuhin pala to. Hindi ka na magbabalon ba?
No, napaka. Thank
Okay,
you.
well, thank you so much. So, bakit siyang isa mo pang piniling ipop?
Wala naman po.
Wala lang.
Nakalimutan ko yung sagot niya.
Ano ulit yung sagot mo sa tattoos?
Okay lang nang may tattoo.
Ano na?
Parang,
Ano na?
hindi ko talaga
Bakit
siya type.
kaya?
Siguro, kawig na yung kuya ko.
Kamukha yung kuya mo. Lagi, ang dami mo tumukha sa show na to. Lagi nagiging family reunion.
Mukhang Arabo din ba?
Kamukha mo talaga.
Kuya, you're not into that? Hindi ka naghahanap ng parang same sa kuya mo para
Hindi.
familiar? Ganon.
Parang sawa na ako sa mukha ng kuya
Ay,
ko.
okay. So ayaw mo na mag-date
Ayaw
na
na.
ganun din yung itsura. Okay, any comment on that?
Okay lang yan. Alam ko rin sawa-sawa na kasama kapatid ko eh.
Pero ikaw ba? Type mo ba sana siya? Ayaw mo kay kuya?
Kuya naman.
Oh. Iba na yata to. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, we still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So magtanong ka ulit ng isang question to get to know them better.
Ano ba hinahanap niya ngayon? Casual or serious relationship?
Serious. Kasi ano okay, going to...
Ano yun? Ba't kayo tumatawa? Seryoso siya, guys. Wait lang.
Sa edad kong ito, gusto ko na rin going to marry.
So, nandito ka for a date to marry talaga. Yun yung mindset mo.
Yan po yung mindset ko.
How about before? Meron ka na mga previous relationship din?
Yes po.
Okay. Dati ba casual ka with them or seryoso din?
Seryoso rin naman po lahat.
So, talagang ganun yung mindset mo when dating?
Di lang pinagpala sa love life.
Okay. Well, hopefully, mahanapan ka natin ng match in our show. So, thank you so much.
Serious. Kasi, katulad niya, parang at this point of age, parang there's no point in playing around. I believe in working things out.
Date to marry ka din.
Yeah, I'd like to believe I am. Yeah.
Sa akin, both since casual and serious, since getting to know each other muna tayo in the first place so that we can go to the next step, which is serious relationship.
So, step by step yung sayo. So, since we have 3 balloons left, I want you to choose just 1 balloon to pop.
I think this one. Sorry.
Okay, so bakit siya yung napili mong i-pop?
Yung height namin.
Okay. Akala ko naman may kinalaman sa sinabi niyang
Wala
casual to serious.
Wala naman, pero yun nga.
Ano bang height difference ninyo? Ano bang height mo?
5'5.5".
Okay, may and a half pa talaga. Okay, ayaw mo ng 5'5 and a half? May and a half yun.
Pag naka-heels ako, like, parang ano na kami.
Pag nag-hike ka naman, di ka naka-heels.
Yun nga.
Okay, so dahil lang doon. Pero sa
Yes.
sagot niya, okay ka naman.
Okay naman po ako sa sagot niya. Wala nang ano.
Okay. Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Hindi.
Uy! Okay, bakit hindi?
Hindi kasi siguro gusto ko lang din siya makilala yung mga sinasabi niya ngayon, which is same ba kami ng wavelength.
So baka parang in time, dun pala magde-develop. Pero sa ngayon, yung initial mo hindi. Okay, well thanks for being honest. Okay, so nag-pop bigla dito. So please join us on stage. Okay, what happened? Ba't ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Medyo binaktra ko yung answers niya kanina. Tinanggihan niya yung guy kasi hindi kayang masabayan yung pag-hike niya. And ako personally, feeling ko hindi ko masasabayan yan due to health reasons.
Like what kind of health reasons? You look really healthy.
I have a disease that respiratory. Yeah.
Okay, so parang ganun din nga. Okay, so dahil lang doon, so paano yun?
Okay lang po.
Na,
Okay lang din kasi parang ang hirap niya rin i-handle. Kasi masyadong pogi talaga.
okay, ayaw mo yun.
Ayaw ko yun.
Okay, ayaw mo yun. So yung mga natira dito, ano sila? Okay, so ayaw mo na masyado pogi. Okay, any comment on what she said? Masyado ka daw pogi.
That's her standard. I gotta respect that.
Eh, yung sinabi niya about hiking, magiging problem din talaga yun?
Magiging problem talaga yun. Kasi lagi ako nagbubook every month na mag-mount talaga.
Okay. Part talaga ng lifestyle mo yun.
Yes,
Okay, well, thank you so much. We have 1 balloon left. So please join us over here. Woohoo! What's your question for our sexy single?
Ano bang mga ideal girl niya? Ay, mga boy.
Ideal boy. Okay, ideal boy mo daw.
Yun nga, sinabi ko na medyo matangkad sa akin, tapos medyo maputi and chubby.
Okay.
Yes. Parang perfect siya doon.
Parang pasok ba?
Pasok na pasok.
Okay. Okay ka doon?
Okay naman po.
Ikaw, may tanong ka pa sa
Wala
kanya?
na rin.
Wala na.
I think
Okay. Ay, kinilig. Wala pa nga eh. Okay. So I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Hindi.
Okay, pop your balloon. Ano ba yan? Pasok na Ako na lang naiyak. Ano nangyari? Bakit hindi?
Sinabi ko nga kanina, I don't like dato.
Oh, yeah.
Ba?
Yun lang. Pa-erase mo na nga yan. Yun lang talaga.
Pati sa pag-hike niya, kaya ko naman sabayan. Pero pati yung pag-swimming kaya ko sabayan. Pero kasi di ko na yung may tato. Parang pag nakikita ko kasi parang trauma sa akin.
Okay, any comment on that?
Well, okay naman sa akin kasi preference niya yun eh. Like, gusto niya talaga sa girl na walang tattoo. So,
Okay.
ano pa yung gagawa na madaming tattoo?
Okay, well, unfortunately, we do not have a match for this round, but thank you so much, both of you, for joining. Thank you. Okay, go ahead. Here comes our next sexy single. Woohoo! Hi! Hello! Hello.
Hi,
Welcome
hello.
back to the show. Okay, so for everyone else, so please introduce yourself. So what's your name and how old are you?
Hi everyone, I am Anne and I am 25 years old.
Okay, and what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
My job right now is I am an online brand shop specialist.
Oh, okay. All right, outside of that, anong ginagawa mo for fun? Mga hobbies?
I'm very spontaneous and at the same time, as much as doable, gagawin ko siya, but I always plan at least 1 month or 2 months ahead before I commit myself onto a certain activity.
Okay, anong activities yung favorite mong gawin? Or mga recent na ginawa mo?
Pinaka-recent na yung nagta-travel ako, tas as in, naisip ko lang siya ngayong araw din.
Ah, okay.
As long as I'm free.
Ano to, local or ibang bansa?
No, local lang.
Local. Okay, local traveling. Okay. Ano namang mga hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Sa personality mo na.
Personality, I would want someone who is family-oriented.
Okay.
And then at the same time, respectful towards to any other kinds of people that he may interact with.
Okay.
And at the same time, someone who's witty banner.
Witty banter. Okay. So conversation, communication is very important to you.
Yes.
Okay. So physical naman, anong hanap mo?
I would want someone na sakto lang sa kanyang BMI.
Okay.
And at
Ano yun?
I mean, I'm sorry.
I-check niya muna yung BMI niya.
I mean, based on
Yun ba yung may nakalagay like obese or not? Yung ganon?
No.
Okay, paano ba?
yung
Yung sa
height niya is nagmamatch din naman sa,
Sa weight.
weight niya.
Okay.
And I'm not, looking at someone na may abs or what. As long as bagay yung weight niya dun sa kanya, it's fine.
Kaya BMI talaga. Okay, that's so specific. That's the first I've heard that. But okay. Ano namang mga deal breakers mo? Pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na.
I think someone na have the history of cheating, it is really something that,
Okay.
no.
Is that something you've experienced in the past?
Yeah, and
okay.
no,
Alright,
I don't
so-
want to deal with them
Wag na.
anymore. That's it.
Well, right now, wala pa namang nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. And mukha naman silang pasok sa BMI, I think, nila. So, I'd like you to choose siguro 1 balloon to pop based on what you're seeing right now.
I see. Sorry.
All right, so please introduce yourself first, your name, age, and job.
Yeah, hi, I'm Kim Luis Vargas, call center agent, 24.
So, bakit siyang napiling mong ipop?
He looks good, dressed well as well. It's just, hindi ko masyadong nafe-feel yung vibe. Ganun lang naman.
Okay.
Nothing personal about...
All right. Is it anything with the physical or parang, feel mo lang talaga?
Feel ko lang, para kasing pag nag-usap kami, marami akong matututunan sa kanya. Ganun. Ganun yung...
Paano man nasabi yun? Is it the glasses? Teacher daw pala. Tama ba siya doon?
Siguro, papangaralan kita.
Okay, yun lang naman.
Yan lang naman.
Okay, pero ikaw ba? Type mo ba sana siya?
Siguro hindi rin.
Bakit naman?
Yung height niya, gusto ko kasi yung saktuhan lang eh. Then yung saktuhan lang din yung katawan. Yeah. Sorry ah.
Okay lang. It's your preference.
So you want someone a bit taller, ganon?
Yung kahit ko lang din.
Okay, well right now we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So now I'd like you to ask a question to help get to know them better.
What is the weirdest compliment that you have received and how did you handle it?
Okay, weirdest compliment. Oh, okay. Bago natin malaman yung mga answers nila, let's start over here.
Hi, I'm Lance, 24. I'm a singer, actor, model, and host. Nag-pop ako kasi naalala ko sa sinabi niya kanina, planner siya. And I'm a free-spirited person, so I feel like we wouldn't align on that department.
Okay, I thought it was like you go on spontaneous trips, pero you plan talaga each month.
Yep, usually
Okay.
I plan. Pero kung wala naman or parang, I think na-cancel to. I would plan something different doon.
Okay, so talagang planner ka din talaga.
Yes.
Okay, do you think that would be a problem for you guys?
Siguro kasi, di ba, you've mentioned na you're a singer, actor, ganun. Parang sobrang busy niya kasing tao. Baka mamaya may times na available siya and then ako yung hindi available. Ayoko naman i-waste yung magiging time niya. So, it's fine.
Okay, but if she didn't say that, type mo ba sana siya?
Okay lang sa akin.
What does that mean?
Siguro, hindi lang ako nag-resonate with her personality. I don't feel the connection.
All right, so you don't think that you would be open to dating her?
No.
Okay. How about you? Type mo ba sana siya?
Parang,
Kasi baka hindi mo nakikita eh. Okay.
Sakto lang. Parang I have the vibe na magiging goods kami. Pero again, I respect his preferences.
Okay, so let's go back to your question earlier.
What would be the weirdest compliment that you have received and how did you handle it?
Jomar, 23 years old, warehouse and ex-movie. Mataba ako, ganun.
Para sa'yo compliment yun, like magandang trait naman yun.
Talagang inaasar nila ako lagi na parang tama, yan, taba.
So paano mo hinahandle yun?
Wala akong pakialam sa kanila. Hindi ko na lang sila pinapansin. Sarili ko naman to eh.
My name is Franz. I am 25 years old. I am accountant po. Siguro yung sa daliri ko. Nakukitan daw sila. Mukha daw kikiam.
Mukhang kikiam? Paki-zoom in nga yung camera sa daliri niya. Comment down below kung mukha talagang kikiam. O ano namang ano mo doon? Anong response mo pag sinasabihan ka na mukhang kikiam yung daliri mo?
Binibiro ko lang. Masakit eh. Joke. Ayun lang po. Dinadaan lang po sa biro.
Not trader, streamer, 21. Feel ko po, sabi po sa akin, Viva artist ako.
Sino sabi? Hindi. Nandiyan yung boss natin from Viva. Okay. Sabi sa'yo, Viva artist ka?
Viva Max po.
Okay. Ano naman sabi mo doon?
Tinanggap ko na lang po.
Okay lang sa'yo?
Opo.
Okay.
Pwede po ba magtanong ako?
Mamay, pwede naman. Sige, gawa.
Pogi ba ako?
Eto na tayo eh. Ba't ba natin nasalit? Joke. Go.
Yeah, I mean, pogi ka.
We.
Sige, more on that later. Okay ka na. Nasabihan ka na ng pogi. Okay, masaya na siya doon.
Ken, 25, software developer. Kamukha ko daw si Aladdin. Mukha daw akong Arabo. So, ano?
Ano namang response mo doon?
Sinasabayan ko na lang kasi marami din sabi talaga na hawig ko talaga daw yung Arabo.
Actually, gwapo naman si Aladdin. So,
Wala lang unggoy.
ito, joke lang. Joke lang, to naman. Masyadong tampuin. To pogi naman na unggoy. Joke. Joke lang, dito ka na. To naman, niloloko lang. Hindi. Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Sorry.
Ay!
I'm sorry.
Oh. Isa pa. Bakit nag-clap yung doon? Tuwan-tuwa.
Okay, one more.
One more. Bakit siya yung isang napili mo i-pop?
I prefer someone sana na alpha. Kasi
Alpha.
medyo ang strong na kasi ng itsura ko. So, ang soft niya kasi parang, parang hindi kami magbabagay talaga.
Ganon.
Eh. Oo.
Okay.
Pero, I mean, he looks good. Handsome as well. It just so happen na ang tapang ko para...
Feeling mo mas strong yung
Oo,
energy
ang-
mo.
oo,
Agree ka ba
ang
doon?
solid,
Nasabihan
ang
ka na ba
taas.
ng ganun before?
Hindi ko masabi sarili ko na alpha, but I do lead as well sa relationship. And when it comes to decision making, I am decisive. So, however, that's your preference and yun yung analysis mo, I'm good with that pa.
Okay, so sa'yo, parang give and take sa decision making naman. Pero may times na ikaw din yung nagli-lead. Okay, does that change your mind at all?
Yeah, medyo na kasi ngayon mas malawak na yung mga naririnig kong sagot. Yeah, medyo na bago naman. Especially
Okay.
thought na, pwede pala din siya mag-lead.
Alright, does that mean you wanna give him his balloon back?
Ikaw, would you still want
Do you want your balloon back?
No, stick with your decision. Yun lang.
Okay, I'll respect.
Pero ikaw ba, type mo ba sana siya?
Hindi.
Bakit naman?
Ayun, sa personality lang siguro. So, may pagkakaiba lang din lang kami ng preference and sa opinion.
Okay, so bakit siyang isa mo pang piniling i-pop?
Nashock kasi ako sa sagot niya na Viva Max.
Bakit? Joke lang naman yun.
Parang first time ko talaga makarinig na,
Okay.
okay, kakaiba talaga yung sagot niya.
Any response?
Kakaiba din po yung question niya.
Okay, sorry.
Okay. Kung hindi niya sinabi yun, type mo ba sana siya? Sabi mo kanina, pogi naman siya, di ba?
I mean, pogi din naman, and
Di naman. Type mo ba siya i-date?
siguro sa analysis ko lang, baka magkakaroon kami ng communication in the beginning, but it would not actually land into a date.
Why do you think so?
Nakikita kong thoughts sa kanya, parang may times na serious siya, but at the same time, parang mas mataas yung funny or ang masaya siyang kasama. Ganun.
Okay.
So parang,
Gusto mo more on
mahihirapan
serious?
naman akong mag-keep up doon
Okay.
kasi selective extrovert lang ako. So parang maiiwan ako sa
Okay.
ganung ano.
Agree ka ba sa sinabi niya?
Ay, opo.
So, totoo naman yon, ganun yung personality mo. Hindi ka talaga serious masyado.
May time naman po na serious ako. Tulad ngayon.
Yung audience agree ako parang, weh. Lahat na sila yung napapadoubt. Pero ikaw ba, type mo ba sana siya i-date?
Hindi po.
Bakit na naman?
Eh, nagsinungaling po siya.
Na?
Kala ko ba pogi ako?
Pogi nga naman daw. Hindi lang kayo nagmamatch sa personality.
Eh, ba't mo pinap?
Nagtatampo na to. Mag-usap muna kayo doon. Okay, pero type mo siya i-date.
Yes.
Okay, set ka na ba doon?
Yes, I'm set na po.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, thank you so much. Baka sa later rounds natin. Okay, well, we still have 2 balloons left. So, sila naman ang magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them figure out kung okay ka ba na match for them.
Attention seeker ka ba? Like, gusto mo laging nakikita, ganun.
Hindi rin ako yung parang yung socially active na tao. Literal na focus lang ako sa kung ano yung nasa routine ko, which is go to work and then follow my schedule for this month, ganun. I don't think na I am that an attention seeker.
Okay, ikaw ba? Attention seeker ka ba?
Hindi po. Ano kasi ako, more work. Tapos, sana naintindihan din, ganun.
So, private person ka din. Okay.
Ano yung love language mo?
That's what I want to receive. So, physical touch, quality time, and then words of affirmation. Pero hindi yung sobra-sobra.
So okay lang sa'yo kahit medyo sweet na yung lalaki sa'yo. Ganun.
Mas prefer ko na kung nasa public was just we're casually walking, holding hands is fine, but yung mga pang-private na sana, ayoko nung nalalantad din siya sa public.
Ikaw ba? Anong preference mo pag nasa public?
Casual lang din.
So, match naman kayo dun. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so, since walang nag-pop sa kanilang dalawa, the floor is yours. I'd like you to choose 1 balloon to pop.
Okay.
Okay?
Sorry.
So, bakit siya yung napili mong i-pop?
Para kasing yung nakukulangan lang ako dun sa confidence nung sasagot. Parang may something pa na hindi niya lang masabi-sabi ganun. Yung response is parang may blockage or like...
Parang nag-hold back ba siya?
May
Ganon?
hold back eh.
Hindi, wala namang parang in-hold back. Kung nasa public man, yes, casual. Pero minsan nag-overboard din naman ako sa ginagawa ko na. Kunyari, niyayakap ko na sa public.
Is that what you mean?
Oh, kasi na parang na-feel ko na may kulang dun sa gusto niya pang sabihin.
Ganon? Meron ka pa bang gusto sabihin? Sabi mo na lahat.
Wala naman, yan lang naman.
Wala naman daw. Pero yun yung nakuha mong vibe.
Yes.
Pero kung hindi doon, type mo ba sana siya i-date?
To date, feeling ko aabot kami doon sa dating.
Aabot naman sana.
Nandun naman.
Oh,
Pasok
okay.
naman.
How about you? Type mo ba sana siya?
Yes.
Oh, ano? Balloon back or no?
No, I'm good with
Nina,
the
you're set
answer.
already.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you so much. Well, we have 1 balloon left, so please join us over here. Woo-hoo! Okay, before we proceed, meron pa ba kayong mga final questions for each other? How about from you?
What if your parents doesn't like me? How would you stand with me? Are you going to leave me because your parents doesn't like me, or you're going to fight for me?
Ayun nga, pag gusto ko talaga siya, kaya ko siyang ipagtanggol.
All right, you good with that?
Oh yeah, I'm good with
Okay,
it.
so ikaw, may final question ka pa para sa kanya? Wala na. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes po.
Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yeah.
Okay! We have a puson match! Okay, so please take each other's hand. Holding hands naman, guys. And go off into your happily ever after. Congratulations! Thank you guys. Holding hands naman, guys. All right, before we move on to our next round, I'd like to announce that everyone is going home with free samples of Casino Active, courtesy of Casino Ethyl Alcohol.
Di akalain mo kakastuhan, ikaw ang napupusuan.
Everybody say thank you, Casino Alcohol! Here comes our next sexy single. Woohoo! Hi! Hello. Please join me over here. You look very pretty in pink. All right, so what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Lai po. I'm 23 years old.
Okay, Lai. Nice to meet you. And ano namang job mo, Lai?
I'm still a student po.
Okay.
Third year po.
Okay. Anong course yung tinitake mo?
Medical technology.
Ooh, okay. So you're also going to go for that in your job, MedTech?
Yes po.
Okay. Ano namang hobbies mo outside of school?
I love to read a lot po. Nagwo-walk din po with my friends, cafes, ganun po.
Okay. What do you like to read? What kind of books? Anong genre?
Mga fantasy.
Fantasy? Bakit ganyan magsabi? Anong fantasy book yan? Okay. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Sa personality muna.
Personality?
Yes.
May emotional intelligence, of course.
Emotional intelligence.
Opo.
Okay.
Siyempre, mabait.
Okay. So, emotional intelligence and mabait.
Yeah.
So, physical naman, anong hanap mo?
Matangkad.
Ano?
Matangkad.
Matangkad. Okay. Alright. Mukha namang meron naman. Okay. Aside from that,
Magandang mata.
magandang mata. Deal breakers mo naman. Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na.
Pag may history po ng cheating.
Okay. So, no to cheaters. Ano to? Based on experience? Parang may
I
hugot
got
eh.
cheated a lot.
Oh no! Okay, gusto mo i-shoutout? De, joke. Okay. So, no to cheaters.
No.
Okay, aside from cheaters, may iba ka pa bang hindi gusto na traits?
Aside from cheating, ayoko din po yung tamad.
Tamad. Okay. So, dapat hardworking, disciplined, gano'n?
Yeah, opo.
Okay. Alright, well, right now, wala pa naman nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. But since we only have 5 left on our lineup, I'd like you to ask a question to help get to know them better.
I'm a major people pleaser before. And right now, I really value my peace and I really love spending my time alone. So, if we were together, if ever I asked for my time alone, would you respect it or would you take it personally?
My name is Franz. I am 25 years old. I am accountant po. Yes, I would give it as much as you want. Kasi ako din, meron din akong me time na gusto minsan. So, yeah, I would respect.
I'm Lance, 24. I'm a singer, actor, model, and host. I would not take it personally. In a relationship, importante talaga yung personal time in order to preserve your individuality and self-identity. In a relationship, you don't want to lose yourself in the process of loving someone. So, importante para sa akin yung may personal time kami.
Not trader. 21. Ayos po yung may alone time kasi po ako rin po minsan alone time din po.
Ken, 25, software developer. Ang sa akin, okay lang din naman sa akin yung may alone time. Ako nga, madalas ang unwinding ko is pagbibisikleta. So, madalas talaga ako mag-isa.
My name is Kim Luis Vargas, 24 years old. Denver call center. I respect your personal time since sabi mo nga, sa medfield ka, then alam kong mahirap yon. Kailangan mo mag-focus doon. Then I can wait naman if busy ka din. Basta heads up ka lang ahead of time. So, I understand.
Right. Thank you so much. Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons. Tama.
Ang hirap.
Kaya mo yan. I believe in you. Okay. And one more.
Sorry.
It's parang,
I'm sorry. Ang
hirap, no? Hoy, bawal yan. Habulin mo muna daw siya. So, bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
Parang hindi maganda yung sagot ko.
Ano?
I like older guys.
Older guys. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, because he's 21.
Yes.
So 2 years.
I have history with that age.
Oh, history with that age. So you've dated someone younger before.
Yes.
Ano nangyari?
He cheated.
He cheat. Oh, siya pala yun. Shout out. Shout out. Hello. Okay. Do you think it's because of the age?
Really, I think ano lang, hindi siya marunong makontento.
So feeling mo, ganun din yung vibe niya. Yung ganyang face. Any response sa sinabi niya? Ganun ka ba?
O hindi.
Oh? Loyal ka?
Opo.
Wala kang history of cheating?
Wala po.
Okay.
Yun din ba sinabi sa'yo ng ex mo before?
Oh, ganyan sila sa umpisa, yung mga lalaki.
Oh.
Yung mukha na ito, mag-cheat pa. Naku.
Bakit? Pogi ka daw, di ba?
Ay, oo.
Pero ikaw ba, type mo ba siya i-date?
Siguro po kung magkasing edad kami, puro matatanda ko yung nalo. Wala po bang ka-age gap. Ay,
Sa audience daw, mamili ka dyan. May talaga tumingin. Okay, ikaw, set ka na sa decision mo.
Apo.
Okay, alright. Well, thank you so much. Baka may mamit kang iba dyan. Okay, please join us on stage. Hello. So, bakit siya yung isa mo pang pinili i-pop?
I don't really have a reason.
Okay, pero nung tumitingin ka kanina, bakit siya yung nakakatch ng attention mo at siya yung pinop mo?
Pwede bang no comment?
No comment? Bakit? Is it a personality thing? Answer niya ba? Physical ba?
I think hindi lang tayo magiging magka-vibe, I guess.
Okay, based on...
Kasi you like biking, right? I don't bike.
Okay, so dahil hindi ka nagbabike. Okay. Di ba mag-isa ka lang naman nagbabike? Okay, do you have any response to what she said?
Okay lang din kasi nag-aaral din ako sa yun, nag-aaral pa siya. Parang ako pagagawa ng mga thesis kung sakali.
Ganun ba?
No. Hindi ko naman po i-aasa sa'yo yung works ko.
Okay. Okay, how many balloons do we have left? 1, 2, 3. So I'd like you to ask another question to get to know them better.
In our generation, with fast-paced chats, mga ganon, paano nyo mapaparamdam sa isang girl na special siya?
By randomly updating. Kasi mahilig po ako, goofy person po ako. So would like to share na may nakita akong kalbo sa daan.
Okay. Isasend mo sa kanya yung picture nun.
And so, yeah. So, it's a special thing for...
Kawawa naman yun. Oh.
Not to cyberbully.
Pero parang ganun na nga.
Baka ako din. Ganun.
By learning how to love the person properly. If a person is able to notice how to love a woman properly, then I feel like yun yung pinakamagandang may offer ko. I-observe ko kung ano yung receiving niyang love, and then that's how I'll offer my love to her.
Pag busy ka, pupuntahan kita, pero hindi kita i-istorbohin. Like, dadala kita ng foods or you needed. Kahit bigyan mo lang ako ng konting heads up na ganito, busy ako. Pero, ayun nga, dadala pa rin kita ng food to make you feel good. Ganyan.
Thank you so much. It's very thoughtful. Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop. Ito na naman tayo. May nawawala po dito. Pakiklaim na lang po siya.
Sorry. Okay,
One balloon lang naman.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so bakit siya isang napili mong i-pop?
Sa answer po, mas gusto ko yung answer ng dalawa.
Mas nag-resonate sa'yo.
Opo.
Okay, pero aside from that, type mo ba sana siyang i-date? Any particular reason?
I actually don't have a right answer to that kasi hindi ko pa naman ito try. But asa ngayon, yung answer ng guy, nung dalawang guy, ang nag-resonate sa akin. So, I pop your bell and I'm so sorry.
Okay. ASMR ba to? Very soothing. Okay. Pero ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah, yung pagka-soft girl niya.
Set ka na ba dun? Set ka na doon sa decision mo?
Apa.
Okay, alright. Well, thank you so much. Okay, well, we have 2 balloons left, so this time sila naman ang magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them figure out if you're a good match for them.
Okay.
You've mentioned that you had an experience of getting cheated on. Kung papasok ka sa relationship, willing ka bang i-put in yung work para hindi mo ma-project yung past mo dun sa bago mong partner?
Of course. Siyempre, para naman mag-work yung relationship naming dalawa, I have to invest a lot din. Kasi ayokong maranasan nila yung trauma na naranasan ko. Ayoko ipasa sa kanila yun kasi sobrang sakit nun. And I really care sa tao na love ko.
Okay, so you're willing to leave your baggage, your emotional baggage in the past?
Yes.
Fine na, dalawa yung tanong ko.
Okay.
Then yung first, which since panggabi ako, okay lang ba sa'yo na understandable ba yung time ko?
Oh, of course. Understandable naman yun since yun yung work mo. I don't have a problem with that naman po.
Willing ka ba na maging magkaibigan muna tayo, like slow pace muna tayo?
Oh, yes po.
Ayoko ma-pressure ka sa mga other.
Of course, I would love that po.
Usually, ganun ka mag-start ng relationship, parang friends to lovers.
Like, first of all, pagpasok ka na attract ako sa akin.
So, attracted ka din talaga. Pero, ganun lang talaga, slow moving.
Mas prefer ko yung slow pacing kung sa magmamadali. Like, kasi pag nagmamadali ka, parang mabilis mawala.
Okay, that's interesting. Thank you so much. Okay, well, since wala nag-pop sa kanilang dalawa, ikaw mamimili ngayon.
Oh my God.
Kaya mo to. Oh, dalawa na lang pagpipilian. I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop. Okay, please join us on stage. Okay, so bakit siya yung pinili mong i-pop?
Don't get me wrong, I really love your answer. I just resonated with him. Mas nagustuhan. Nagustuhan ko, yes.
Okay.
And parang, mas gusto ko nga yun, yung friendship to lovers, tapos yung schedule niya pa, tapos iaano niya sa akin yung time niya, ganun. I really appreciate that kind of guy.
Makaya na kita. Okay, do you have a response to what she said?
I believe kaya naman tayo nandito para mahanap yung taong align para sa atin. And if she finds more alignment with this guy, then I'm all for it.
Okay. Pero ikaw, type mo ba sa siya?
Yeah.
Okay, well, maybe I'll find your match another time. And thank you so much. Since we have one balloon left, please join us. Sorry. Professional. Okay. Okay, so before I ask you guys, meron pa ba kayong mga final questions for each other? How about from you?
I think wala naman
Wala naman na.
Wala
Okay.
naman.
How about from here? May question ka pa ba para sa kanya?
For now, looking forward.
Okay! Wait lang. May sabihin siya.
Looking forward na makilala namin sa isa as a friend.
Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
For me, yes.
Okay! And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes.
Okay! Alam mo sa Alright, so please take each other's hand as friends. And go off and here happily ever after. Thank you. Congratulations! Oh, cute! And that has been our show. Thank you so much to our sponsor for this episode, Casino Ethyl Alcohol. And thank you as well to our partners, the Q Studios, for having us over. Make sure to follow their socials and make sure to hit that notification bell for more of our episodes. Join us again next time for more Pusoan or Laruan!